What up? We're out here ice fishing again today. Got a new Clam ice shack. I'll let you see it. So this is the brand new Clam Thermal X Jason Mitchell Elite Series. It's got nice big windows. The side doors are awesome. Love this thing. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah, two side doors on both sides. Has a rear door right here. Like I said, it's got nice windows all over it. Let's go inside. Love these side doors. And we are inside. We got the nice soft cushion chairs in here. They swivel, go back and forth. We got a center console. We got rod holders. We got a bait bucket built in. Got a battery holder right there. Then we got built-in lights in this thing. Pretty nice. Pockets all over the place. Pretty nice. Like I said, it's got the nice big windows in here. Got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 windows. 6 windows. It's pretty nice. And you can stand up in here. That's what's nice. Got plenty of room. Plenty of room in here. That's what I like about it. My other one you couldn't stand up in. It sucked. But I hope you guys are having a great day. And I'm going to get to fishing. So, later.